Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Classic CC lets you view your photos in several different ways. The grid view displays thumbnail images. The loop view displays a single photo. The compare view displays two photos side by side. And the survey view displays two or more photos. To switch between library module views, use the icon buttons in the toolbar. Alternatively, you can choose Grid, Loop, Compare, and Survey from the View drop-down menu in the menu bar to display the different library module views. When you have one or more photos selected within the Grid view, you can also choose the Photo Open in Loop command from the menu bar to display the loop view. To toggle between your chosen view and the previous view, select View, then choose either Toggle Loop View or Toggle Zoom View from the menu bar. Although the toolbar does not provide a Zoom View button, you can quickly switch back and forth between the Grid view and the Zoom view of a selected photo by simply pressing the Z key on your keyboard. The Compare view displays two photos side by side in the image display area. If you display the Compare view with only one photo selected, Lightroom Classic CC displays your chosen photo alongside the next photo in the catalog. However, if you select two photos from the grid view in advance, the Compare view will then display those two photos side by side. This can be helpful when you want a closer look at two similar photos from your catalog. To select more than one photo from the grid view, hold down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking on thumbnail images. Similarly, the Survey view shows larger images of two or more selected photos. You can Control-click to select several photos from the grid view, and then click the Survey View button in the toolbar. Your selected photos then appear in the image preview area. Notice the arrow buttons that then appear in the toolbar when the Survey view is displayed. You can click the arrow buttons to move through the selected photos. To return to the grid view from another view, simply click the Grid View button in the toolbar.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.